I just want to give a quick rundown on removing the oxygen sensor, or O2 sensor. It's also called a lambda, I think it is, something like LAMBADA sensor. Right, well, on this vehicle, which is a 1995 Mazda 323 Astina, it's got the 1.8 motor, and as you can see, it's the east-west sideways engine in this one. I believe in America they actually put them in what we call the traditional way, which is north-south, which is much easier. But one thing it is easier is because the O2 sensor in these, sorry, there's a radiator to give you some idea of what we're looking at here. Then you've got the heat shield for the exhaust manifold, and although you can't see it, under that part of the heat shield near the manifold is where the sensor screws into, and you can see it when it's in place. Now, because I'm working with one hand here on the camera, it's a bit hard to take it out and show you, but anyway, that's the tool that you can use. I bought a set from Hong Kong or somewhere a couple of years ago, and the car's been misfiring a little bit, so I'm just trying, I'm sorry, zoomed away there. I've been trying a few different things, and something that does cause a problem with idling in a lot of cars is the O2 sensor, and that's how it slots in, because the wire is stays on the sensor, and it goes down to a, sorry, I better not drop it in there. I washed it last night in petrol just to experiment with it more than anything else. That's the other end to it. So if you buy a new one, that's what comes with it. Now I'll see if my trusty camera here, yeah, I've got that upside down, will show you the numbers on here. Focus, focus. There we go. Thank you, Fujifilm cameras. Right, it says MCA BP D for dog 3. It looks like ND06Q -9490. I'll try that again. I was reading it and not looking, so once again on my eye wandered away. Right, you should be able to read all that. I'm sorry it's going in and out of focus there. But anyway, that may help with getting a new one if you wanted to. This has cleaned up quite nicely from what it looked like yesterday. Right, now this connector here connects to, there you go, that yellow one there. Now, so it goes together. Now with the, if you see on the bottom here, that's actually the, I'll zoom back here, I'm sorry, I'm getting very annoying here. Right, that there where my finger is the bottom. So it sits like that, facing back that way. Now the bottom of it actually just slides onto a little metal stand, which is, I'll go back over here. Now under the yellow thing, you see that little plate? That's what that slides onto. So it makes it much easier if you actually slide it off that and then unclip it. So it's actually quite simple. I couldn't work out how it came off, and then it just slid off, so that was all quite good. And then what you do is get a little flat screwdriver and put it under that little tongue on the top, just in there behind that raised bit, and you put the screwdriver under that and actually slide it in and raise it up. Now I will, sorry, one of these days I'm actually going to plan how to do these videos. So pretty much you put the little screwdriver in there, slide it in, that little tongue raises up, and then it will pop. It should, I say should, just slide out. So you sort of need three hands. If you've got someone to give you a hand and hold the screwdriver while that's going in, that should be fine. Anyway, when you go to take it out, or obviously put it back in again, the socket just slides over the end of the sensor, and I've just got a little angle bar there because the room's restricted. You could use just a normal ratchet drive through. I think it's well, you can adapt it anyway, 1/2 inch or 3/8 inch drive, and you just work away in here backwards and forwards. It actually came out quite easily. It surprised me, because you do hear some people having an awful lot of trouble with actually getting them out. When I bought the set, that one came with it, and you can see the width of the slot is actually different, so there must be different sort of versions. But anyway, this one here with the wide slot suited this job, and that was good. So anyway, goodness knows if it's going to work or not, but hopefully it won't make it any worse than what it was. And anyway, hopefully that helps. Thank you.